video, we're going to be showing you guys how to make this awesome Grinch tree. For this Grinch tree, we're going to be using a tree, some garland, a pretty basic tree skirt, some warm white lights, and some ornaments. We also, for this craft, are going to be using this, which we're going to be bending and turning into this to make the curved thing for the tree. We got what we need. Now watch us make this awesome Grinch tree.
Step 1 for this project, we're going to assemble our tree and bend that top tier in the direction you want your curve to go. The key to this project lies in step 2, where we take some cheap metal fencing we found at the dollar store to make the core of our curve. This metal fencing works well for the shape we're making, but if you don't have this or can't find it, feel free to use a coat hanger or any other wire should work fine. We're basically wanting like a 10-inch rectangle that tapers into a hook shape. Step 3, we're going to take our garland and wrap it around this cone shape. You're going to want to leave about 2 feet of garland at the very end before you start wrapping around that cone shape, as this will be the very end of the hook. So starting at that point, we're just going to begin wrapping this shape with the garland. As you get to the end of this cone, you're going to want to make sure you got anywhere from 2 to 3 feet worth of garland to tie into your existing tree. Alright, now that our curved piece is done, we're going to work it into the top of the tree. You'll see we have the excess in the front and the back of the cone. So we'll just place this opening right into the top of the tree and use the excess that we left to tie it into the tree. You're also going to want to take some of the branches on the tree and hook them around or twist them into the extra garland just to secure that top piece to the tree. And as you can see, here is the extra 2 feet we gave ourselves before we started to wrap the cone. We're going to have that double up onto itself and just give it a nice twist, and then take some time and get the overall shape you're looking for. Once that hook is done, we'll take a minute, fluff the tree, and fill in any empty spots before we move on to the next step. And now we add our lights. We recommend using an additional strand even if you have a pre-lit tree, as you're going to want these lights to go all the way out onto your curved shape. Next up, we add our ornaments. We like the classic Christmas colors, red, green, and white. Plus we think they work well with the Grinch, but it's your tree, so have some fun with it.
One of our favorite things to use on these awesome trees is buffalo snow. It's kind of like a fake fluffy snow. We used it on our Nightmare for Christmas tree, and we're gonna be doing the same here. We're gonna be making the tree look all nice and fluffy.
We finish up this project by adding a riser to get some height, along with a tree skirt and some light up Christmas presents. An additional item we use in our Grinch tree display is this custom Grinch cutout graphic. We found a high-res image online and printed it the size we needed it. And there is our DIY Grinch Christmas tree. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, give us a like, comment, and subscribe.
We love making these holiday trees. If you guys have any suggestions on what holiday tree we should make next, put it down in the comment section below. If you guys like this video, you should definitely check out the video where we made a Nightmare Before Christmas tree. Thank you guys for watching. Consider subscribing. And until next time, happy holidays.